This is the repair for claim number Y3Z-DP77903. Here's a 360 of the roof assembly showing how scattered the damage is. The damage to the front slope, the damage to the rear slope, the damage to the right and left slopes. Here are the previous repairs showing how the repairs caused damage to the roof and damage to the surrounding shingles. This is repair attempt for Hartford Insurance for claim number Y3ZDP77903 for Bob Huff in Chillicothe, Ohio on Orange Street. That's the area that we're going to be repairing. That's the affected shingle with the line through it. You see the wind-driven crease right there, and the X's show and indicate where the shingles will be affected. If you look at the top of the shingles, those shingles are for the most part intact, even though they're very old and weathered. And if you look at this roof right now, there's our tools I'll be using. There's the shingles I'll be using that are approved. This shingle that's currently on here is discontinued, so they no longer manufacture that. But this is what some of the damage is looking like on this roof right now. And then here's two wind-driven shingles right here. You can see the crease clearly. Here's another shingle that's blowed off. Here's a previous repair, and if you look right here, you can see where the shingle tore right there. So there's 9 wind damaged shingles on this right slope. Here's another shingle right here. Here's a repair, and you can see the circled area where that repair, when they were doing the repair, broke that shingle and they had to reseal it by hand. Here is another missing shingle right there, and then there's a bunch of damaged shingles over here, and then there's 10 wind-driven shingles right here. There's another one right there, another missing shingle, and then more wind-driven damaged shingles. If you can see on this previous repair attempt where the shingle was cracking and breaking right there while they were doing the repair, and then right here this large repair, and you can see at the top where those shingles were creased and broken. And then this one right here I suspect happened because of the repair. And there's a couple other repairs, and they all kind of tell the same story, like this repair down here. If you look at it and then look at the circled area, you can see where it's cracking and breaking. Close. Okay. Now we are beginning the repair attempt. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to break the seal. And I'm going to use this tool to break the seal. So I need to break the seal on this shingle right here. And as you can see, come here a little bit closer. So this is the shingle that's affected, because I need to remove this shingle right here, so I need to break the seal of this one. And as I'm attempting to break the seal, you can see right here, I'm barely adding any pressure and it's breaking. So I'll try to go like that, and then it's causing that to break. So let me try to break this shingle seal. That one's a little bit better. I need to break this shingle seal too. That one broke pretty decent. And I need to get this shingle at least to here. And then it had a little hole right there. You see that? That right there. But this is my biggest concern right here, because this shingle, when I was trying to break the seal, it started to tear right there. You can see the hole that is forming. So maybe if I come right here, but this shingle, this whole shingle from here, here, and here, it's affected here, here, and there. And now it has a hole in it. Let me see what I can do. But it has that hole in it right here, as you can see. So I got this shingle, the seal broken on that. And then I need to break the seal here, here, and here. So because this shingle, this is the one that's coming out. See how it's breaking like that? You see that? And then this shingle's already wind driven and damaged, but this, so I need to break this seal right here. And you see I had a hole right there. See it? The hole it put in the shingle? Right there. Yeah, from over top of it. See it? That hole right there? Alright, that was easy enough. So that part is done. Next, I'm going to use this tool right here to remove the nails. So I have a nail right here. Pull that nail out. Pull this nail. And as you can see, the shingle just fell apart right there as I was taking it out. Look at that. It just falls apart. Okay, here's the old shingle. Let me see. Let's check under here and see. Make sure I got all the nails. And here, this shingle above right here, it's already tore right there. You see that? Mm-hmm. You see that good? Oh, look, that's too high. You see how it's tore? Mm-hmm. I mean, color match ain't too bad. It's probably pretty sure the exposure's not right. Just falling apart right in here. Mm-hmm. See how that's broken right there? You see how most of them shingles, it just lost all its granules right there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so as you can see, in regards to this repair, there was a ripped shingle right here. The ripped shingle, for sure, the ripped shingle right here, and then the hole right here that was caused, and then the hole that was caused right here. So in all reality, this shingle needs to come out, and then this shingle needs to come out. Now my experience that further repairs are just going to cause diminishing returns and just cause a chain reaction of more and more damage.